Hello, Ravi, you are not audible.
Yeah, still I'm not.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm still not speaking, but because of that, my voice is not
Yeah,
audible. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
sure,
I'm waiting to others also who they can also join it, right?
sure.
So okay, let's give the everybody chance, right? So because these things, if if anybody is applied in right, so I can say in the small amount of time they can become a successful person in IT industry, guys, right? So now okay, let it be.
Yeah.
I think the others will not join up now. Okay, na one more person. I don't know. Okay. Hey, see, boss, Ayodele, he is from other country, I think Nigeria, right? So respect him also, okay, na? Because there, I think morning 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock is there, and here 2 p.m. is there. So think about that, guys. So education, education is more important in life. In life, why the people is educating? Why the parents want my uh, children, means my kid should take education and all those things, because they know about that what education. Um, what is the meaning of education, right? Education is a more important in life to live the life disciplined, right? If the discipline, when you will become disciplined person, right? Success means success only. Success means success only. Why? See, okay. Now okay, let's understand what I said that, right? Ninth, let's understand why ninth. Employee, if you are employee, sometime our bad habit is there, bad habit is there. Sometime our bad habit is there. What bad habit is there? Ki- Means wherever we are sitting there only we are littering, right? Littering at workplace only. So don't do these things, right? Don't do these things. And uh, if you need what, if you want to do tiffin, right? Tiffin kind of eat at a is specified place marked for it, right? These things mark in your life. This is the two. Sometime my colleagues I seen, they in the where they are working, beside the laptop they are eating, right? They are bringing what fruits and all those things, and they are eating also, and they are working also. These things is a very very bad, guys, right? This is the small things the people is not following, right? But the things is giving a very very wrong feedback about others, right? About others. So be careful. If you need eat to eat something, go in the cafeteria and you have to eat there, right? You have to eat there. Don't eat what our decks our table. Eating should be avoid at workplace, right? Eating should be avoid your workplace. Otherwise, right, the small things, this look like a small things, but this is the very bad, right? And now 10th ones, let's I will tell what 10th ones. Now sometime whenever we are becoming tired doing work in the what in the company, right? So what we are doing that, in we are going in what restroom is there in the company, right? We are going inside the restroom, and what we are doing long stay at matlab means in long time we are staying in what restroom and gossipy with about what our colleagues should be avoided. Don't do these kind of things, right? Don't do this kind of thing. If you are not feeling well, if you are tired, just go inside that what restroom, just take 5 to 10 minutes. Except that if you are staying long time in the restroom, and if you are talking to your colleagues there, right? Hey, these things now, that is also very 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 bad habit, right? Very bad habit. And that things also will stop your what next level success, right? Next level success means these things, if you are eliminating in your life these things, right? These things making you what disciplined person. These things will make you what disciplined person, right? In your life means, then you will become what, then you people will become what responsible person, right? So don't do these things, guys. An employee should be punctual. If you are employee, right? If 9:30 is there, right? These things also is a matter in your successful, right? Successful employment life. What is that? If you are the employee, must be punctual and prompt at your work, right? Whatever your work and what is there workplace, you must follow punctuality. Then see why not success will come. Why not success will come? Okay na. Sometime, knowledge will not matter. Sometime our behavior matter, guys, in between the society, between the office, between the people. So these things I applied in my life, and I want to you people also will apply, right? I want, right, you people also. Because of that, I struggle initially day. I was struggle a lot, right? I was struggle a lot. And I decided whoever having the need and whoever will hold my hand, right? I will guide each and everybody, and I will tell those people, do not repeat these things in your life, right? So my humble request to you people, I shared my what I shared, divided the things near about. I observe in IT industry what the people others doing mistake, and what they are getting the problem, what they are doing this kind of mistake, what they are facing the problem, right? I shared with you people. And please, whenever you people get the job and whoever doing the job, please don't do these things, guys. Don't do these. If you people will avoid this 11th things in your life, right? If you people avoid these 11 things in your life, I promise you, I am promising you, definitely success will come. Definitely success will come. Sometime knowledge is not matter. Sometime behavior is matter, guys, right? Sometime behavior is matter. Because of that, today on what? Republic Day. Today on Republic Day, I decided to give you people what? I give you people some suggestion what to do in the office, what to do not, what do not do in the office. Okay na. So let's now talk to each and everybody, and if anything's need and anything's want to talk with me, guys, okay na, you can unmute yourself and let's talk it. Amar yaske, Bharat K, Victor, Kanche, Manma Mahesh, Oyodele, Rajnikant, Samar, Shamita, Pradhan, Sarad. Please unmute yourself, guys. Hey, Nasim, something you want,
Yeah, yes, Ravi.
something you got,
Hello.
something you got it or not?
Yes, Ravi, completely understood.
Ah, so this
Yeah, yeah.
these things. I'm not explaining in the bookish things, guys. What you have to do, what you have to do, what you have to do. Even the some things I did not, I not done. I observe from others, and I tell what problem you people will get, right, to doing these things.
Yeah, yeah.
So don't do these things, guys. Definitely one successful employee will be there in the software company, and this kind of employment is need in the software industry, right? So see, the respect also matter, man. Okay, living the life like animal, there is no use. My point of view. Okay. Now, Samita, can you unmute yourself? Let's talk sometime. Shamita Pradhan, Sasmita, Sasmita, are you hearing me? Sharad, Sharad, Sharad. Okay, guys. Okay.
Uh, Hello. Yeah, Ravi. This
Yeah.
is Narsman. Kinche.
Yeah.
Can you please give me some interview tips, right?
In tips, I told you, na, become become a good in the subject, good in the subject, and presentation should be good. Presentation should be good whenever you will enter in what,
Okay.
whenever you are working in what interview room, right? Interview cabin. Please
Uh,
do those things. And if you need, I will share what kind of question I'm asking to people, right, in the interview.
Okay.
I will share that PDF to you people in the group.
Ravi, nowadays the interviews are going on virtual, right?
Yeah, everything virtual only.
Hello.
Yeah, virtual only.
Yeah, virtual, right? Like in if I attended interview, I can put it formal only, right?
No,
Uh,
virtually if you are attending, right?
Hello. My
Virtually,
dress will be formal or it will be
yeah, third
yeah.
point, point. No one is seeing that, but third could be formal. Okay, na? And whenever you will speak,
Yeah. Correct, correct.
show your confidence in voice. Okay, na? Show your confidence in voice, because by voice the people will what the people will understood ki you are confident person or not. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for yeah.
Anybody having any query? Let me ask, guys. Ask. I will tell. Anybody? Are you daily?
Hello, Ravi.
Yeah, Samar.
रवि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है मेरे साथ कि मैं मतलब क्वेश्चन का आंसर कंप्लीटली आते हुए
Mhm.
प्रॉपर
Hmm.
बट उसका अपने प्रॉपर वे में आंसर नहीं दे पाते इंटरव्यूअर के सामने
Yes.
सम हेजिटेशंस प्रॉब्लम सम
Yeah, I can.
प्लीज सजेस्ट मी समथिंग
Yeah, Samar. Actually,
या
if you just what you are started to attending interview, right? So what you have to do,
या
just whatever kind of question they are asking after returning back to room, right? Just just
या
write on the paper, right? And write the answer. Okay, now after then what you have to do, just express yourself ki how I can speak this word, right? After the next time whenever you will face same question, right, you will able to what explain those questions without feeling hesitation, because there is no route path is there to until unless if you not become what confident, you will feel what nervousness and shy, right? So
या नर्वसनेस
so then the problem will come. So please, whatever question you are facing in the interview, at which question you are unable to give the answer, please what repeat multiple time with alone time, right? And if you get the chance to again in any next interview, just explain in your way, right? Then success will come. Okay.
ओके ओके या और समटाइम्स सम फियर सम फियरिंग मतलब सब
Yeah,
थोड़ा सा
I know. I can. Some fearing is there.
या हेजिटेशंस
Yeah, I know. Because when I first started, also I also faced those.
या
No?
बिकॉज मैं आई एम 2018 पास आउट
Yes.
और जस्ट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर द जॉब एट दिस टाइम राइट नाउ
Mm-hmm.
और जस्ट बट प्रेशर नॉट अवेलेबल एट दिस टाइम जॉब
Mm-hmm.
so I am putting 1.5 year experience
Yeah,
and I am looking job.
that's good only. You will get easily, because if you put the experience right, then you will get the
Yeah,
easy
yeah,
job. If you not put the experience right, then the problem is there. So you are doing good only. Just once if you become a IT industry person, right? Second time onward, if by seeing the people, you and they will give you job, because that attitude and confidence will come, right? Whenever you will stay
yeah,
between the IT people. Ayodele,
yeah. But
Ayodele.
sometimes,
Yeah,
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 definitely, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, Ayodele,
Okay.
Ayodele.
yeah, yeah. Thanks so much. Though I don't really have much question. Yeah, with you now.
Mhm.
Though I joined a bit late because I did not get the information on time. But I
I
appreciate
think,
what you are doing. It's been highly resourceful.
yeah. Thank you
Uh,
so
I
much.
don't
Yes,
I don't
Ayodele.
really have much question now. I'm still
Yeah.
following the training first, so I know
So
I'm
no,
still
actually,
enjoying
today,
the
today,
training so far. So
today, I'm not sharing. Ayodele. Today, I'm not sharing any subject
and,
or anything. Just what?
and today I joined late a bit, so I didn't meet I didn't meet on time. So I joined not quite long, and my network has been fluctuating, so it's just going through now. So I'm just going to watch the training back later. But I joined a bit late, so I was not fully part of the class. So that's my concern.
Oh, okay, okay.
Hello?
Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Just how to behave in the software industry. Just those things I explained Ayodele.
Okay.
To becoming a successful person, right? To becoming a successful person in what IT industry. Those things, what activity should not do in the
Yeah.
software company, those things I explained to you people. And even I will upload the video on what
Yes.
my YouTube channel. Please watch it, right? You will get all clear picture. Okay, Ayodele, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I will upload
Yeah,
the
I can hear you. I can hear you.
yeah, I will upload you, and I will share
Right.
the what
Oh, I
link.
appreciate it.
Uh-huh. Now, okay, guys. Okay, shall we stop the session?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, Ravi. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Bye, bye,
Thank you
bye.
very much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, friends.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.